Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. So if you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video on affordable deals that I have available for you. Yes, guys and gals, I am here with this Rainbows haul activewear try-on edition. Like, this is looking good. I'm just jump right into this because I am loving this. Let me come closer so you guys can see the material. It's that honeycomb material and it's like really ribbed for her pleasure. But yes, I love it. Like, and it has the drawstring. The drawstring is active. I will show you guys that so you can see what I'm talking about. You see? So if you don't want your shirt scrunched up, you can wear it like this. And I'm assuming you can probably just make a little bow right here and wear it, you know. So let's say you don't want to show your gut or whatever. This is, all the activewear that I got is actually in a large / extra large. And I'll get into that in a minute. As you can see, I still got the tag on. So I am loving this. It is super soft. And you guys and gals know I am a sucker for things that are super soft. I love colors. I'm a very colorful person. This is not see-through at all. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk for you guys, and then I'm going to get into the next one. Okay, so this next one right here, it might look similar. Of course, the style and everything, like the honeycomb shape, is similar. I just wanted to take the time to show you guys the material up close and personal before I put this on. But I am loving this. Like, and I love the versatility of the way you can scrunch it up, or you can just leave it down, you know, and still have a cute little bow. I mean, this is really, really good. Do you guys see this? Let me put my hand in here. This is like really good. No see-through stuff going on here. So Rainbows definitely did their thing. I will leave a link up below so you, I will leave a link on the side somewhere so you guys can see what it was costing. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say this was about $7 and I think it was 78 cents for the whole set, guys. The whole set. Like I said, I am bringing you the most affordable things that I can find. If you guys can find it cheaper, or you know of places where I can get deals, you guys need to comment down below and let me know where to shop, because I'm trying to bring you guys affordable deals. So check this out. The pattern is, oh my god, it's just so cute. Like, I'm all for tie-dye, I'm all for soft, and this is just like so soft. Like, look how it just meshes right into the next color. So I'm actually loving that. And they kind of match my nails. I kind of like that. Oh, and yes, if you guys and gals want to see my nail video, I will have a video on that coming next. But let's get back into these outfits. Gals, I'm back with outfit number 2. This is this one in a mustardy, blackish, brownish color. And like I said, look, it goes perfect with my nails. But yes, I just thought of another way to tie this. So I was like, wait a minute, let me show you guys on camera. So, okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, so I didn't do it. But normally you wanna pull the drawstring, right? And look, you already see my bra is peeking through. That's horrible. So I was thinking, if you tuck this, okay, bear with me guys, I promise, this might work. Under here. No, is it gonna work? Oh, look at that. Yes. Well, of course, you know, you gotta tuck it underneath your bra, because that's what I did. And you just shimmy them into place. And then, let's see, yes. So if you wanna wear it like this, that was just off a whim. I was like, hold on, I wonder if you can do this. Who's sexy tonight? Who's sexy tonight? But yes, you can definitely wear this to the gym. I don't know if you want to wear it like this, but you know, if you want to be cute at the gym and be like, I'm going to work out. It's not about being cute. It's about being comfortable and being able to work out and do your little squats and all that good stuff in this stuff. And this stuff is super duper stretchy. Like, right now, guys, and gals, I am sweating like you would not believe. I only put this one outfit on and I'm like, oh my god. So it is super warm, very, very warm. I really like that about it. Like I showed you guys, the material is really, really thick. I just wanted to come across and show you guys the pattern once again. And then I'm gonna do a little walk for you. So let me know in the comments down below if you think that this would be a good fit for like tying your top piece. Like, would you tie it like this at the gym? I mean, I don't know. It was just something I thought of, and it actually worked, and it actually looks cute, except for the fact that my bra is hanging out. So, you know, just try to tuck that in like that. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk for you guys. And like I said, this is in an XL, which is a large / XL. Let me see if I can get the bag so I can show you what I'm talking about. And also I can show you guys the name. So see it right there, large, extra large. Did I point to the right thing? What the hell? Hold on. Right here, large, extra large. So it is a tie-dye waffle legging set. Just so you guys and gals get that right. If you do want to pick this up for a loved one, you want to pick it up for yourself, like I said, $7.98 or 77 cents or whatever it is. But it's dirt cheap for the top and the bottom. Like, you cannot go wrong for this kind of material. I want to say it's probably because the 4th of July is coming. So get up on it and start shopping now. I'll also leave the links down below so you guys can click on the rainbows and get everything that you need to get with a 10% discount code. So let me give you guys a walk. So y'all already know that when I like something, I'm going to get it in every color. And for the price, you cannot beat this. Like I said, 2-piece set, $7.70 something. Don't worry, y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna pop it up here somewhere so y'all can see it. But this color, oh my god, this color is giving me life, y'all. Like, this color is popping. Like, do you see this? I just love the yellow going into the green and the blue. Like, this one is, it's just freaking phenomenal. Now, if you notice, the arms seem a little bit shorter on this, and this is the same size. So, I mean, if you want to size up in this color, if you want to get this color, I would say size up some. The pants felt fine going on, but, you know, another thing I love about this one is that it's high-waisted. So you want to cover the fupa, you want to cover all them rolls, or you want to just tuck it in and look smooth, you can do that. Because, you know, nobody want to go to the gym looking like, you know, ugh. I mean, that's why you go into the gym. But if you can tuck it in nice and neat and make it look good while you work out, why not? I mean, this is a win-win. So definitely love the high-waisted part. And as I said before, you got the drawstrings, so you can do whatever you please with that. Tuck it in and under your bra, pull them together like I did the last one, or just tie it in a bow right here, or just leave it down and loose like I did with the other one. So I am loving this. I am gonna go ahead and give you guys and gals a walk. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Which one is your favorite active wear? Because I like them all, but I think this color suits me best. Okay, y'all, I think I spoke too soon when I said I really like the other color, because of this is making me feel like an hour later. And it's just so bright and vibrant. Definitely spring, summer colors. So if you guys and gals want to work out in this, well, not the guys, but you know, the gals, if you want to work out in this, and guys, if you want to pick this up for your woman because you want to see her working out in it, then I suggest you do so. Like I said, dirt cheap. Quality is amazing. They are not plus size. I don't know how much they will cost in the plus size department, but these are large / extra large. So plus, but I'm pretty sure they have some in plus. And I squeezed my big behind in it, so I know you can squeeze your big behind in it. So yes, this candy color is amazing. It's like ice cream or something. Oh, like an icy. Yeah, I like this. It's super soft. I'll come close so you guys can see it again. See the material? It's just amazing, guys. This is like super amazing. Like, I'm in love. I am so in love. And like, once again, I have it just down, you know. You don't want to scrunch it up, don't scrunch it up. You got the top heavy girls, like your girl here. You know, you might not want to scrunch it up. You can just tie your little bow right here or make a knot around your finger. You know, pull that through. Okay, work with me. Yeah, pull that through like so, and then you've got yourself a little knot. So if you want to do it like that, you can definitely do it like that. But you know, you're going to come up with your own little method and technique. But I'm going to go ahead and do a little walk for you guys. And as you see, it does come all the way down to the ankle. No high waters up in here, boo, okay? It does come all the way down. All right, let's get a look at this. Okay, you guys and gals know I wasn't gonna leave you with just the activewear, right? I was like, oh, this is so cute. So this outfit was actually $16.99. I mean, it's kind of feels like pajama wear. Like, it's super soft. It is short like this, so it just comes right around. It's a tube top, and the material is super stretchy. Like, I just I left my bra on for purposes of, you know, just putting this on so you guys can see it. But of course, you're not gonna wear your bra with it. But I just wanted to show you guys how flexible it is. So yeah, and this is in a 1X. So this is actually from the plus size. You've got 2 pockets right here, and I absolutely love it. I just paired it with a jean jacket because I think it's super cute, super comfortable looking. And you know, you're just going out and about, right? So yeah, what do you guys think? Comfortable wear? I think so. Go to the supermarket, go to the store, go out on a date. But yes, I love the colors, and like I said before, super super soft. So I absolutely love that. I'll do a little walk for you guys so you can see this. So I definitely wanted to show you this shirt. Unfortunately, I don't have a bottom on, so I am just going to show you this shirt, but it is a crop top. I can inch up a little bit so you can see how short it comes right up under the boob area, because you see the bra right there. So I like that. You put some nice jeans with it, you know, really nice high-waisted jeans, and the material is like super soft. Now this definitely goes with my nails, guys and gals. Like, do you see this? Can't make this up, right? Yeah, but like I said, stay tuned for that video coming up if you guys want to see how I achieve these nails. That will be coming up. Oh, you know what else I do want to show you? I did get 2 pairs of shoes, and I want to show you guys that I got from Rainbows. So they're really, really cute. And like I said, you know, if I like something, I got to get it in multiple colors. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. Hold on. Okay, so I got a pair of jeans to put on. I couldn't leave you guys like that, so I was like, let me give you guys a full look. But it was so funny because I was trying on the shirt and I said, oh my god, I don't have a pair of jeans in here with me. So I quickly just grabbed my Fashion Nova jeans from my Fashion Nova haul and put those on so you guys can see it paired and how it looks with the high-waisted jeans. So these are really high-waisted because they're coming pretty high. You figure my bra is right here, guys and gals, right here. And these are the pants, and then this is the shirt. So you can definitely rock this shirt like this. I swear this shirt was probably no more than like $5. So this is definitely a look. I am loving this. Of course, you're gonna have heels or boots or whatever you're gonna have on. You're not gonna be wearing fuzzy slippers like I am. And I'm not gonna show y'all my feet because my feet looking crazy. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a walk, and let me show you these shoes before I give you guys a walk. Look, aren't they cute? Yes, I have big feet, so these are a size 10, but that's okay. Big feet are in. So I got these, they're super comfortable. Like I said, I'm not gonna try them on for you guys because I gotta do my toes. That's a whole nother thing. I was like, let me do my nails, and then I did not do my toes, but I will be doing them so that I can try these on and have some pictures for you guys. Well, aren't they cute? So these actually came out to be, when you buy two, it's $10 each. So I thought that was really amazing, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a walk. Like I said, 4th of July, I want to say it's a 4th of July sale at Rainbows. Guys, gals, guys, get it for your girl. Girls, get it for yourself. Go ahead and check out Rainbows because you already know where it is on and popping for these prices. But let's get into this. Alright guys and gals, that pretty much concludes this video. I want to thank you guys and gals for joining me on my Rainbows activewear slash a little bit extra you know, activewear try-on edition. So yes, thank you guys and gals for joining me. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys never miss a beat on affordable clothing. I mean, like, you know, I got some other things coming in the mix too, but my main thing is going to be affordable clothing, guys. You gotta get this stuff while it's hot. So I will see you guys in my next video, which will be my nails.